Hi everyone and welcome to Poppy DIY Crafts. Today's tip is about safety when using epoxy resin. So I have a bottle here of Ardent Glow. This is a casting and coating epoxy resin. And it says here on the side, may cause skin and eye irritation. And I believe for some people, it actually can cause other allergic reactions too. So when you're using epoxy resin, make sure to wear protective equipment. So the first item here I have is just some clear goggles. These are just regular goggles that to prevent any splashings into your eyes. Sometimes when you're using something like a squeeze bottle with resin and you're getting down to the last drops, you might splutter and splash, and you do not want any of this resin to get into your eye. These are the baseline glasses that you should wear. Some people wear full goggles that encases your entire eye, so that would be even safer than something like this, but I found this to be pretty good. The next item is some nitro gloves. Nitro gloves here, they come in different colors. Sometimes they're blue, sometimes they're tan. The ones I get are black. These are really good for avoiding getting resin on your hands. Resin, in addition to being an irritant to your skin, is also very sticky and it's very hard to wash out. So just wear gloves, it won't be sticky, and also you won't get irritations on your skin. Right now, during the coronavirus pandemic, it's very hard to find gloves. What you can do is also get these little finger cots. I got these for free when I ordered something, and so what these do is actually just kind of just go over your fingers like this. So these will keep your fingers clean. Most of the time you get the resin over your fingers anyway. So if you have finger cots instead of gloves, I think that's fine too. They're just a little bit more annoying. But maybe if one doesn't get dirty, you can rewear them. I'm not too sure. I guess you can rewear them if they're not dirty. So these are kind of cool. So you can get these if you can't find gloves. The next item here is also very important. This is a 3M respirator, a mask. And these are different from the N95 masks. These are not the same at all. These are considered rated for organic vapors. So you can see here, these are, it's not in English. I think OV is for organic vapors. Maybe I'll say so on one side in English. Okay, so this is not in English at all. But here is the number, the 3M60923. So these are half masks, just goes over your nose and mouth, and then on top I would wear goggles. In addition to something like this, you should also have a well-ventilated room. So a window that you can open while you're working is very helpful. Alright everyone, so that's a quick tip for today. Wear your goggles, wear your mask, wear your gloves. And of course, if you have one, open that window. Alright. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye!